Hi there, Gary here from the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy. I have some exciting news. This is what the industry needs. So, Technician Handbook. Now, what is this handbook and what's inside of this handbook? So a lot of times, technicians will go and do a course. They do a course, they go and do an exam, they pass the exam, that's job done apparently. In my eyes, that's not job done. They need to be able to utilise, let's make an example. Let's say we learn about dehumidification in the training. We learn the dehumidification, but we don't know how that dehumidifier works, that brand that you own, or that brand that you own, or that brand that you own. So we've got a full comprehensive manual here from start to finish in your business. From how to maintain your vehicle, to how to do moisture, for your moisture detection, to your dehumidification, to your heat drying, to whatever that you're doing in your business. Phone etiquette, anything at all in your business that your technician does, he has to be assessed. And this is an assessment manual. Now in this assessment manual, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be signed off by someone in the business. So that person might be the owner, that person might be the lead supervisor, operational manager. That person's going to assess them. And here's an example. Let's say they go to the course and they learn how to do invasive checking on timber at a course, theory-wise. Or they might go to a flood house course and do the hands-on version, like we have. But when they go back to their actual facility, they use this moisture meter, not that one. And they don't know how to use that one. So they have to be signed off. So at the moment, they become a technician that is supervised. To be unsupervised, they need to be signed off. And that's going to be with some sort of supervising person to sign them off. So once they get signed off, they move to a unsupervised technician, and that way they can go out and do the job by themselves. And then they could become a trainer and train one of the new people, but they have to get to that level. So at the end of the day, the technician is now coming to their employer and going, how do I get my book signed off? Like an apprenticeship, to get it signed off to make sure that they're competent in all the equipment that that company might have. So they're only as good as the company they're working for and the company of the equipment that they have. So they can expand their knowledge and expand their level of equipment with doing that. So, can't wait after you any one of our training courses, whether it's online, whether it's face-to-face, whether it's the flood house, you can actually apply to do our assessment. And then you do our assessment, you can get one of our technician books here, where it's comprehensive training handbook, where it's got some appendix in the back to refer to, as well as it's going to have everything that the technician needs to be signed off. So if you have a technician that signed the entire book off, I'm going to be telling you now they're way more competent to do a much more professional job. So, can't wait to get some technicians filling this out and succeeding and moving forward. Thanks again for watching.